The fact that we are Harry Potter fans from the beginning, coming here was a dream come true. However, we were unable to attain any digital photos and videos that we could have received by using the QR codes you guys provided us to use to enter the Harry Potter tour, because the QR codes were not workable. Although we were able to take photos with our phones, we weren't allowed to video. We didn't get to fly on the broom or have a wanted poster photo because there was a line of people and you could only have digital photos/videos provided to you because you're not allowed to use your own camera/phones. That was disappointing. As grateful as we are to experience the Warner Bros. Harry Potter tour, we would definitely come again, but book it with someone else. The Harry Potter Studio is a pretty fascinating museum, with props made for the movie in display. The museum has a lot to see but too little interactive games, though some exhibits are movies that helps you understand how they made the movie to life. If you drink the butterbeer, you can take away the butterbeer plastic cup which adds an extra touch. There are 3 restaurants in the park. I'll eat at the food hall and choose the potato with sheep which is pretty nice. The sets are incredible, from the Hogwarts Great Hall to Diagon Alley and even the Hogwarts Express. It's so cool to see the behind-the-scenes magic of how everything came to life in the movies. There are some fun activities, too. I got to ride a broom, try butterbeer, so good, and even experience the moving portraits in the Hogwarts staircase. The whole thing is so immersive, it felt like I was actually in the wizarding world. The visit itself is amazing and worth every penny. But, don't get ripped IFF like we did. Book direct online. We booked via group on TripAdvisor and it cost us £116 for us two, paid up front. I've just looked online today and I could have got the same tickets for 10,000 yen. That's £56. Or half what I was charged on the TripAdvisor site. Aside from the fact that some of the tour was strictly Japanese, the experience was amazing. I loved every moment of it. The fact that I got to see the way that the movie was made actually interact made this movie so much better for me. I enjoyed every second of it. If you love everything about Harry Potter, then this place is must do. The highlight for us was watching the moving stairs. Please allow at least 4-5 hours to see everything. The gift shop is also amazing. It was fantastic. I'm so glad I went. It's a place I want to go to again and again, and the food was delicious. I recommend going for the first show of the day as it's usually less crowded. It was a wonderful experience. There was a gift shop by the train and we wish we would have gotten stuff there because it wasn't in the main shop. But overall, huge place and a lot of fun. Amazing experience. Please do spare at least 4 to 5 hours for the entire trip to enjoy every section. Very friendly staff. A lot of variety in Harry Potter merch shop. This is a real treat to any aficionados. The theatrics and in-depth explanations of the entire production of every Monies gives great insights. It's a great tour. I really enjoyed exploring the behind-the-scenes areas and seeing how some iconic scenes were made. You're a big movie fan, this studio is worth a visit.